Gearing up for Brazil, your ultimate travel guide awaits. Hola, fellow adventurers. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to the vibrant land of samba, sunshine, and stunning landscapes. Brazil. From the bustling streets of Rio de Janeiro to the serene beaches of Bahia, Brazil offers a diverse array of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. Whether you're drawn to the rhythmic pulse of Rio, the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls, or the Amazon's untamed beauty, Brazil has something for everyone. Imagine yourself exploring the dense, lush rainforests of the Amazon, where every step is an adventure waiting to unfold. We've got you covered. Get ready to uncover the top 10 essential travel tips and tricks that'll transform you from a wide-eyed visitor to a seasoned explorer of Brazilian wonders. From packing the right gear to understanding local customs, these tips will ensure you have a smooth and unforgettable journey. So, grab your passport, your adventurous spirit, and let's dive right in. Whether it's your first time visiting or you're a returning traveler, our guide will help you make the most of your Brazilian adventure. Stay tuned as we delve into the heart of Brazil, uncovering hidden gems and must-see attractions that will leave you in awe. Pack light, travel right. Mastering the art of efficient packing. Remember, less is more. Pack light to avoid those pesky baggage fees and move with ease. Use packing cubes to organize your items and roll your clothes to save space. Efficient packing means more room for souvenirs and a stress-free travel experience. Happy packing. Let's talk tech. When traveling to Brazil, make sure to download essential apps like Google Maps for navigation, Duolingo for learning basic Portuguese, Uber for convenient transportation, TripAdvisor for finding the best restaurants and activities, iFood for food delivery, WhatsApp for communication, and XE-Currency for currency conversion. Stay savvy, stay safe. Prioritizing your well-being in Brazil. Keep your wits about you and your valuables secure to ensure a safe and enjoyable trip. Unlocking connections. The power of basic Portuguese phrases. A little Portuguese goes a long way. Learn a few basic phrases to connect with locals. Here are a few ones to get you started. Good morning, bom dia, good afternoon. Boa tarde, thank you. Obrigado or obrigada, if it's a female. Please. Por favor, excuse me, com licença. Now, for the best deals. Fly smart and save big. Book in advance and utilize flight comparison websites. Prepare yourself for the tropics. Sun-kissed and hydrated. Protect yourself under the Brazilian sun. Stay hydrated and shield yourself from the sun's rays with sunscreen and a trusty hat. Embrace the rhythm. Navigating Brazil's public transportation. Save money and experience the local culture by utilizing Brazil's public transport. Bus, subway, taxi. Now on to the next chapter. Culinary adventure. Savoring the flavors of Brazil. Dive into the heart of Brazilian cuisine by indulging in local dishes and street food like feijoada, pão de queijo, and brigadeiro. Stay prepared. The importance of document copies. Always carry copies of essential documents like your passport and travel insurance. Let's talk cultural sensitivity. Respecting Brazilian customs and traditions. Embrace the local culture by being mindful of Brazilian customs and traditions, like greeting people warmly and respecting meal times. And there you have it. Your essential guide to unlocking the magic of Brazil. From the vibrant streets of Rio de Janeiro to the serene beaches of Bahia, Brazil offers a unique blend of natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. We hope these tips empower you to embrace this captivating country to the fullest. Whether you're dancing to the rhythm of samba, savoring the flavors of Brazilian cuisine, or exploring the Amazon rainforest, there's always something new to discover. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other travel guides and tips. Give it a thumbs up, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and inspire them to embark on their own adventures. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures. We have a lot of amazing content lined up for you. Until next time, keep your adventurous spirit alive, stay curious, and always be ready to explore new horizons. And keep exploring our incredible world. Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.